In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices to multiple customers in QuickBooks Online. If you need to send several invoices at the same time, QuickBooks Online makes the process very simple. Instead of opening each invoice one by one and sending them individually, you can use the batch action feature to handle multiple invoices much faster. This is especially helpful if you're catching up on billing, sending reminders, or just trying to save time during your workflow. To get started, look over to the left-hand menu inside QuickBooks Online and click on Sales. This section is where you manage customer transactions including estimates, sales receipts, and invoices. Once you're in Sales, select Invoices. That will open your invoice list, where you can view all the invoices currently in your account. From here, take a moment to find the invoices you want to send. When you see them in the list, check the boxes next to each invoice you want included. Make sure you're selecting the correct invoices before moving on, especially if you have a long list or if some invoices are still in draft form. Being careful at this stage helps avoid sending the wrong document to the wrong customer. After you've selected the invoices, go to the top of the page and click Batch Actions. This menu allows you to perform the same action on multiple invoices at once, which is exactly what makes this method so efficient. From the drop-down options, choose Send. QuickBooks Online will then process those selected invoices and send them out for you. And that's it. Once you complete that step, your invoices will be on their way to your customers. This is a quick and practical feature to use anytime you're working with multiple invoices and want to speed things up. One helpful tip is to quickly review your invoice list before selecting batch actions, just to confirm everything is ready to go. It can also help to make sure the customer email details already stored in QuickBooks are correct, so the invoices are delivered properly. Small checks like these can save time later and help your invoicing process run more smoothly. So again, all you need to do is go to Sales, open Invoices, check the boxes for the invoices you want to send, click Batch Actions and choose Send. That's all it takes to send invoices to multiple customers in QuickBooks Online.